Welcome back to the final video of the series. So far we've made wrapping paper, gift tag string, and now we're going to put it all together into a lovely gift bag. For this project we're going to need scissors, tape, our pre-made gift tags, some forage leaves and our pre-made wrapping paper. So to make the gift bag, I'm going to take our wrapping paper, turn it to the back side. I'm going to fold in towards the middle and in towards the middle on the other side as well. And what you want to do is make sure that you overlap. Then you're just going to put some tape across the side to close up that. To make the gift bag stand up, you're going to fold from the bottom, fold up. So this fold line here, you're going to match that to the inside fold line and fold that down. Same on this side, match the fold lines. So with this flap, you're going to overlap the center fold line, and this flap here overlap the center fold line as well. Secure the bottom with plenty of tape. So to finish, you can just fold the top, punch 2 holes and thread in your homemade rope. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you have a lovely festive season.